Hi, my fellow YouTube creators. In this video, let's fix the missing apply button on the monetization page when you get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. And of course, you should have no community guidelines strike. This November 1, they will update YouTube policies that require two-step verification of our YouTube accounts. So, if you haven't done two-step verification yet, let's start. If you are new to this channel and do like topics like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified on my next upload. Let's start! Tara! Step 1. Sign in to your YouTube Studio. Step 2. Select Settings and select Permissions and select Manage Permissions. Step 3. Select Edit Account Info. Step 4. Select to see contact info, go to Personal Info. Step 5. Select Security and select two-step verification. Step 6. Select Get Started button. Provide the contact number to verify, and after you have verified, go back to YouTube Studio monetization page and refresh it, and the apply button will appear. If you have not yet reached 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, it is best to set your account to two-step verification. And how to do it? Watch the next video that will appear on our end screen. If you have further questions about YouTube, please visit the YouTube Community Help Center. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more updates.
Subscribe now for more videos.
What's up mga kabago? Don't forget to subscribe, just link here.
For more videos, please subscribe to Deso channel right here.